I'm Bob Surratt.
I'm Marianne Murciano. Denzel Washington talks about Chicago Monday.
And in bed with the plus-size supermodel. See you Monday morning.
Folks, Newt is rated Y because this Newt's a hoot for all Fox kids.
There once was a boy who wanted a pet. When he got to the store, a Newt was all he could get. He brought it home, but to his surprise, the Newt just lay there, he was barely alive. The pet store owner knew what to do. He gave the boy a can of Zippo milk food. Newt's, Newt's, he's so humongous. Newt's, Newt's, sometimes disastrous, man. Newt's, Newt's, he's where the fun is, yeah.
Oh boy, breakfast, my first sugar rush of the day. Mom, my Slurpee Flakes taste different.
That's because they're new improved Slurpee Flakes. See? 37% slurpier and 89% flakier.
Blech, and 100% cruddier. If they don't taste as good, how can they be improved?
It's progress. There's no use complaining. Now, eat up and go play with your cousin. He's only here for the weekend.
Hi, Aunt Sharon. Can Ned come out?
For the first time in my life, I wish it was Monday. Bundle, get away from him, you bird feline! I gotta play with Renfrew for a couple hours. I can't feed you any Zippo till he leaves, but you'll be safe from his cat up here. Hi, Renfrew. So what do you want to play?
I figured we'd have a good old-fashioned water balloon war. This pile is mine, and that one over there is yours. Get ready. Aim balloons.
Huh? Hey, look! Isn't that Pamela Lee Anderson?
She read my letters. Pamela!
I am big. It's the cats that got small.
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little fleas, too.
Yo, I got your wolf right here.
Aha! It's an easy putt to the hole. Will Tiger simply tap it in? Nah, that'd be no fun.
Topo Chicho! In trouble now! Help me!
My sister, my kitty, my sister, my kitty.
I thought we'd have dinner. Then I'd take you to the top of the Empire State Building.
I'm not an animal.
The human human body is 97% water. Say goodbye to the dry 3% with the Socatron 6000.
Newton?
Fox Kids will be right back.
You spread the word that Burger King fries are hot, crispy, and yummy. Say hello to the first potato ever in the Burger King Kids Club.
I'm really moved.
Dad, there are bugs in the kitchen.
The Bug Rider toys. Now at Burger King. You'll find one inside every Kids Club meal you buy. Burger King Kids Club. Great food, cool stuff, kids only.
Once a Great Milk Cow by Victor Skinenko, age 8. Once a great milk cow dreamed she was a great milk cow.
Today, the entire world ran out of milk.
There's no milk. Anywhere's the milk? Help us, Bessie.
It's up to you now, Bessie.
Hooray for Bessie!
You've done it, Bessie. Not just a milk cow, but a great milk cow.
Thank you, Bessie. Bessie. Will her dream ever come true? Got milk.
Airheads, they're out of control.
Enter the Fox Kids Louie Eat and Run Road Trip Sweepstakes. Win and we'll fly you and your family to Los Angeles to pick up a chauffeured RV filled with tons of cans of Life with Louie pasta shapes. You'll eat at some wacky pit stops before meeting Louie Anderson backstage at his comedy show. 1,000 others win this backpack stuffed with cans of Life with Louie pasta shapes. To enter, watch Fox Kids for your Road Trip Pizza Clue. Write down 3 of them with your name and address and get it to us by May 22nd to Fox Kids Louie Eat and Run Road Trip, P.O. Box 4030, Beverly Hills 90213.
Fox Kids is back.
What have you done to Newton?
Man, you gotta help me. Something's terribly wrong.
Wrong? You didn't mean to do that?
Are you crazy? Who opens with a king-side night offensive?
You mean you've lost control of your morphing?
Oh, a little.
Oh, cousin.
Nettie, I'm all shook up. I can't even get the right Elvis.
Who's the Newt who's big with all the chicks?
I don't feel good.
Stop me before I become Ike Turner.
Ich bin ein sick Newton.
Oh, no! New Improved Zippo. They changed the formula.
Help me.
Hey, mister, you sold me some new and improved Zippo. I want the old stuff.
Zippo Classic? Huh, they don't make that anymore. The new stuff is much better.
But my pet doesn't like it.
Progress, kid. No use complaining.
Hello, we're the 6 wives of Henry VIII. And we're the 2 wives of Elmer III. Did he come by this way?
Oh, Newton.
I feel my pain.
The factory. Here we are, Mega Brand's corporate headquarters. Hey, mister, I got a complaint.
He's as mad as heck, and he's not going to take it anymore!
This isn't the complaints department. This is the tour department.
Then how do I get to the complaints department?
You have to take the tour.
Oh.
Don't worry, it's a lousy tour. You'll have more to complain about.
This is where we make our famous salsa-flavored toothpaste. This is where we make our famous toothpaste-flavored salsa. This is the 98th and final machine where we make our fertilizer-flavored yogurt. Any questions?
Yeah, who put the bump in the bump she bombed? Didn't they notice there was a bump in there already?
And can you get this crick out of my neck?
And that brings us to the complaints department. Yes?
I want information. Who is number one?
I've got a complaint about this product.
Little boys shouldn't complain.
I demand an answer.
It's my lunch. Talk to the president.
Hi, Mr. Megasir. I'm having a problem with one of your products. You changed the formula for Zippo Newt food and...
That's progress, son. No use complaining.
You know what? My mom doesn't think I should complain. The pet store owner says I shouldn't complain. Your tour guide says I shouldn't complain. Even your complaints department says I shouldn't complain. But, mister, I came all the way here to tell you something. I've got a complaint!
I like your moxie, son. You're right. We did improve Zippo. About the same time we improved Slurpee Flakes.
You make Slurpee Flakes, too? They used to be Slurpalicious. Now they taste like dead flies.
They weren't selling and we had a backlog of Zippo, so we switched the ingredients.
Well, switch them back, 'cause I've been eating pet food?
I'm Mr. Flemkin's lawyer, F. Bully. If you don't change these products back, I'll sue the pants off you. But not these pants. Could you switch to a pair of brown slacks and a 47 long? If not, I'll eat this negligently manufactured cereal in front of a jury and expose its dangerous side effects.
What side effects? You're bluffing.
No, your assumption of my bluffing is bluffing.
I am certainly not bluffing.
No? Then I must be bluffing. No, wait, if I wasn't bluffing and you thought I was, but never mind. Watch this.
I'd love to kiss you, but I just washed my face hair. I used to be so big. What happened?
I guess a career in the circus was inevitable. Fly me to the moon, big guy.
Change it back! Change it all back! You didn't see this, kid? I'll be ruined. This mega-billion-dollar corporation is all I have. What do you want? Anything at all. It's yours.
Ned, I just got back from the store, and look! Slurpee Classic. See? You can get things without complaining.
There you are. Close your eyes, Ned. I got a big surprise.
Really? Is it a custom-built Mega Brands Corporation Super Saturator Salsa toothpaste cannon?
Huh? No.
Then I've got a bigger surprise.
We'll be right back to Fox Kids. Coming up next is Power Rangers in Space, followed by the No-Yo Motel with Ultimate Goosebumps and Erie, Indiana, The Other Dimension. So fasten your seatbelts and stay with Fox Kids.
Brothers and sisters, welcome to Our Lady of the Puck, the only church where you can pray for your hockey team, be forgiven for your cross-checks, and seek righteous retribution for those who have slashed against you. Let us pray for our beloved teams that they may win the Stanley Cup and catch the next Zamboni to the promised land. Please rise for our first hymn.
The playoffs move to Sunday when Washington battles Boston at 2 Eastern on Fox.
Hallelujah!
Have you heard about Betty? Betty Spaghetti. She's got real cool clothes. Lots of clothes. She's got real cool hair. I love her hair. Have you seen her style? Have you met her friend? Have you heard about Betty? Betty Spaghetti.
Meet Betty Spaghetti. She's a one-of-a-kind mix-and-match, never the same look twice fashion doll that has everybody talking.
Have you seen her style? Outrageous style. Have you met her friend? Way cool friend. Have you heard about Betty? Betty Spaghetti.
Betty Spaghetti. New Ohio are set so separately.
Have you heard about Betty?
Well, if it isn't Chip. Letting kids have chocolate chip cookies for breakfast? I don't think so.
Cookie Crisp. Oh, is Officer Crump?
Hand over the Cookie Crisp.
But, officer!
No cookies for breakfast while I'm on duty.
You really can have cookies for breakfast with Cookie Crisp cereal, the part of a balanced breakfast that tastes like a real chocolate chip cookie.
Doggone good cookies for breakfast. Cookie Crisp.
Fox Kids is bringing you the ultimate weekday doubleheader.
It's your lucky day.
With back-to-back episodes of Bobby's World and Life with Louie.
Hey, this looks like fun.
We do have a lot in common.
Up first, one of America's most watched kids, Bobby. Then hang on tight for that lovable Louie.
Can I go next?
Don't miss your ultimate doubleheader of Bobby's World and Life with Louie weekdays on Fox Kids.
Fox Kids is back!
Good morning, children. This assembly is to discuss next week's school pageant. So I'll turn the mic over to our new theater arts teacher, Mr. Sausage Steve Finland. Mr. Sausage?
First, I want you to know that even though I've run a Hollywood TV network and produced lots of movies about women in jeopardy and crippling diseases, all I ever wanted was to teach theater in a small, nowhere town like your own.
Me and Lummox are thinking of doing Robert Redford's home run theme from The Natural.
Rusty McCabe's rehearsing David Helfgott's breakdown scene from Shine, complete with a gut-wrenching performance of Rachmaninoff's Third Concerto.
You gonna perform, Ned?
Me? Right. I'd rather be torn apart by wild animals than stand on a stage in front of an audience. I just can't find anyone who'll perform in the pageant with me. I can act and sing and dance, and I've written a play just for the two of us. Why did I say that? I can't act. I can't write. I don't even have a play.
No problemo.
You got a bookshelf full of old stories. Ned Flemkins, Humpty Dumpty.
It is a far, far better omelet I go to than I have ever known.
I don't see Linda as an egg.
Or how about Rumpelstiltskin? I'll far be almost spill my luxurious hand to gold until I can guess my own name. Is it Jaff?
I got it! Linda can be Red Riding Hood, and I can be the woodsman. And at the end, I get to carry her off in my burly arms.
Holy great plan, Ned Man. You'll need scenery, costumes, a wolf.
A wolf. Maybe Dougal? Nah. I could make one from paper mache, or maybe a puppet.
How would that work?
No, Newton.
What's his name? Okay, continue. Yeah.
I've blown this horn since I was in Cribsville, you know what I'm saying? Wait till the man hears me wail.
He said he'd heard better sounds coming from subway brakes.
He said he didn't believe my balloon poodle. What is he want?
He called my fingering trite and superficial. You're next.
Zippo, right here, it's Zippo. All you can eat, have some more. You gotta help me, Mayday, Mayday. Talented people are going down like Titanic waiters. Ouch!
You don't need talent. This guy's from Hollywood. You need razzmatazz. You need hoopla and folderol. You need your little nudie boy. And all I want in return is a small part in your play.
Mr. Sausage Steve, I'm Ned Blunt.
I'm his agent/manager, Biff Newton. Pleased to meet you. Sausage Babe, me and the Nedsky have whipped up a killer scenario, and you're our first choice to produce. It's got romance. Action! A timely warning for today's lonely shut-ins.
I've slept in a steel shark cage since watching your last play.
You may have the sausage man interested. Give me the one line.
Okay. Well, it's Little Red Riding Hood, the fairy tale. Everyone's read it.
I read a lot of stories. Sketch it out for me.
Okay. There's this little girl.
There's no girl.
What?
There's no girl. Continue.
But how can I do Little Red Riding Hood without the girl?
The kids knew it then. Picture night. Inky blackness. Total, overwhelming, abysmal nothingness.
I see.
Woo, woo, woo. We hear the unmistakable hoot of owls.
I hate owls.
Crows! Crows!
It's been done. What's that yellow bird?
A canary?
Yeah.
We hear the unmistakable hoot of canaries. Went out from a forest of pine trees.
To piney.
Oak trees?
To Robin Hood. What's that fruit?
Pears?
Okay.
Went out from a forest of pear tree steps. A wolf.
Women hate wolves.
Half wolf, half fish?
Too fishy.
Cow?
Cholesterol.
Chicken?
I like it. What's his name?
Red. Red Chicken Wolf. There he stands in the bleak urban landscape. Isolated, alienated, hungry. But for what? Chinese, sushi, grandma?
How about a pear?
I like it. It's edgy, but with heart. It's now, but it's then. Go, right. Oh, and work in something about these shoes so I can write them off on my taxes, huh?
Fox Kids will be right back.
What? No chips?
It's okay, ma'am. We're from Chips Ahoy.
I don't understand.
Of course not. Life. There's 1,000 Chips Ahoy chips in every bag, but a few bags got out with no chips. Only 1,000 to be exact. We'll pay $1,000 for every chipless bag found. For entry, you can write here. Or, sorry, see marked pass. I believe this is yours. Chipless Chips Ahoy? Not on my shift.
But where are my chips?
Where you going?
To Camelot.
Come on, let's go.
This summer,
Here in the night.
Warner Brothers Family Entertainment proudly presents the year's most magical romantic adventure. Quest for Camelot. Rated G. Starts Friday, May 15th at a theater near you.
Whim of a craving. Come over you.
Ooh, honeycomb. Me want honeycomb. Sweet and crunchy. Toasted honey.
Post honeycomb cereal's part of this nutritious breakfast. Where will you be when the craving strikes?
When Penny moves, Penny moves.
Did you see that?
And now in Slammin' 3D, you can hang on to Penny's greatest moves. 3D Exploster posters. They're in your face. One free in each Smart Box of Post Honeycomb Frosted and Honey Nut Shredded Wheat cereals. Some assembly required.
How does he do that?
I don't know.
Today, drop into No Yell Motel if you dare.
No more Mr. Nice Guy.
But beware, this is a surprise scare.
Get the pig.
It's part one of the special 3-part Ultimate Goosebumps Chiller G.
911, this number is no longer in service.
3 extremely terrifying new tales. Written especially for Fox Kids. Today, let No Yell Motel tickle your terror bone with the premiere of Ultimate Goosebumps Chiller G, part 1 on Fox Kids.
And now, back to Fox Kids!
Shoes, chickens, pears. I only did this because of Linda, and she's not even in it anymore. What are we writing?
Thou worriest for naught. This prose by any other name would smell as sweet. Okay, Faceman and Mr. T are blown back by the blast of a mighty jet engine.
Loved it. It has heart, action, a good arc. It has funny. We've built a street, kids. I think we've even put a house on it. All we need now is a few windows and awnings, and we got a home.
Huh?
Hollywood talk. One rewrite coming up. Great! A page one rewrite. I was afraid we'd have to do the whole script.
Remove woods, remove path, remove the word street. May be offensive to people who live on roads and cul-de-sacs.
Okay, Roy Hobbs, I'm gonna put these liver snacks on the bases. Don't eat them until...
I love it. It's Cosby meets Taxi. It's Alf meets X-Files. It's fresh and new, but with a trendy we've seen it all before ironic ethos.
Huh?
Hi, Ned. You didn't call me about rehearsals. Have it.
Ned, Bobby, let me handle this. Linda, sweetie, your part has grown, matured, blossomed into something new and big and exciting. Something too big for this play to contain. So you're not in it. Congratulations! Hello? Give me everybody!
Oh. Well, good luck, Ned.
Tough biz, kid. But we gotta focus on the reason we're here.
Linda was the reason I'm here.
Forestville, 2099. Night falls, bringing out the deadly hooting canaries.
Night has fallen. I hope I can make it to the Pear Forest wastelands before... Oh, they come out.
You dirty rat. You ate my grandma.
I am a humble but burly woodsman. So poor I live in this basket. Let me pass.
What's the password, 99?
Get it wrong and I devour you. Get it right and win an egg.
What a big white face you have.
All the better to get in this invisible box when the dress shoe rain begins.
Terrible. Whoa, they're turning ugly.
I know. Audiences love dogs. I'll be right back.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm really sorry. All I wanted was to do a play with a friend. But I let someone else change all the words and the sets and the costumes and the actors until it wasn't my story anymore. Until it wasn't really much of anything. If you'll give me a minute, and if Linda Bliss is in the audience, I'd like to present our original play, Little Red Riding Hood. The night turned out okay, didn't it? Yeah, it really did. See you tomorrow?
Yeah, we've seen the happy ending thing. You gotta amp the stakes. You can't fade out till the bad guy's been punished.
Okay.
Fox Kids is bringing you back-to-back episodes of Bobby's World and Life with Louie. Don't miss your ultimate doubleheader of Bobby's World and Life with Louie weekdays on Fox Kids.
Hooray!
Igor, what are you hiding?
Take the ride.
Where'd you get your Mad Doctor's license anyway?
Catch an all-new Steven Spielberg presents Toonsylvania. Today at 9:30 on Fox Kids. Take the ride.
Hey, if we see a shooting star, we can make a wish.
And with a little rainbow magic, their wish will come true.
Wow, look at them all.
They're me new shooting star marshmallows, heading straight for me Lucky Charms.
Make a wish. I wish I may, I wish I might. It's Lucky.
With shooting stars in every bite. New 2-color shooting stars, found only in Lucky Charms, a marshmallowy part of this good breakfast.
Their wish come true.
And magically delicious.